Hey there, I'm the avatar of Marina Villela-Bento, an application engineer at Hailo. The real Marina and I are really excited to introduce you to the Hailo-10H Accelerator Module, your go-to solution for powerful AI acceleration on edge devices. Whether you're working with vision analytics, generative AI, or multi-modal applications, the Hailo-10H is specifically designed to handle it all, with outstanding performance and power efficiency. In this video, we'll walk you through what's in the kit, how to set it up, and how to run 3 real-world demos out of the box: an object detection example, a live LLM chat experience, and a VLM-based visual interaction demo. Let's start by opening the box and seeing what's included. In the box, you'll find the Hailo-10H M.2 Accelerator Module, a heatsink, thermal pads, and metal heat spreader plates, and mounting accessories to connect it to your host system. Basically, everything you need to kick off your edge AI journey is right here. Now let's take a closer look at the Hailo-10H M.2 module itself. It's designed in the PCIe M.2 2280 form factor with an M key and comes with either 4 GB or 8 GB DRAM memory. It uses a PCIe Gen 3 interface with 4 lanes and can be integrated with any host device that has an M.2 slot or through a Thunderbolt M.2 adapter. The Hailo-10H is an AI accelerator that works as a coprocessor. Use any x86 or ARM-based platform as your host. Linux, Windows, and Android operating systems are supported. To connect the accelerator to your host system, first, apply the thermal pad on top of the Hailo-10H processor and attach the heatsink securely to the pad. Next, make sure your host device is powered off. Identify the M.2 slot of your host platform and firmly attach the module to the slot. Secure the module with the provided screw and power your host device back on. Let's make sure that the module is recognized. In order to do that, open a terminal and run the command lspci-vv. Here, you can see the list of all PCIe devices. Look for the Hailo-10H AI processor or ID number 45C4 in the list. You can run sudo lspci-vv grep Hailo-A20 to confirm the PCIe generation and the number of lanes. Next up, let's get the software side ready. Visit the developer zone on the Hailo website and download the latest versions of the Hailo AI software suite and the PCIe driver. Just follow the software installation wizard. It's simple and straightforward. First, install the PCIe driver to establish communication with the module. Don't forget to reset your host after that. Then, install the AI software suite, which includes everything you need: the Hailo Model Zoo, the Dataflow compiler, the Hailo RT runtime framework, and several examples and demos to get you going. If you already have the Hailo 8 software installed, the software suite installation wizard will guide you how to migrate to the Hailo-10H software. The Hailo-10H works out of the box with common languages like C++, Python, and REST APIs, and supports leading frameworks like TensorFlow, TF-Lite, PyTorch, Onyx, and Keras. Alright, now that we're set up, let's see what this device can really do. First, let's check out a real-time object detection demo using YOLO Network on a real-time stream, powered entirely by the Hailo-10H. Notice the high detection rate of even the smallest objects, as well as the low latency. And just so you know, the Hailo-10H is completely API compatible with previous Hailo accelerators, so your existing applications can work with it right away. Next, let's have some Gen AI fun. Let's start with an interactive LLM chat demo, your familiar ChatGPT-like experience, running on the edge without internet connection. Perfect for responsive on-device AI experiences. This demo is running the Ollama user interface. The Hailo SDK is fully compatible with both Ollama and OpenAI REST APIs for easy development and seamless user experience. Finally, let's look at a second generative AI demo. This time, a vision language model, or VLM in short. In this case, we're running the Qwen2 VL with 2 billion parameters for applications like video search and indexing, visual question answering, and multi-modal chatbot. Notice how this application enables advanced scene understanding that stretches way beyond object detection or classification and allows the machine to comprehend sophisticated human behaviors and respond to specific triggers without training. So that was the Hailo-10H Accelerator, delivering real-time, high-performance AI on the edge. For more tools, documentation, and support, visit our website and check out the Hailo community. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build with the Hailo-10H.